Hello everyone, I'm Anya and I am your massage therapist and trainer for tomorrow's event. I'm so looking forward to welcome you at our couples massage and connection workshop. Here are just a few infos about tomorrow. So when you arrive, it's at Davis Park, the South Leagues Club, 120 James Street. And in this email you find as well a map and parking instructions as well. Once you're there, you can just come into the Leagues Club, please sign in with your QR code, and then follow the stairs to your right upstairs to the first level, and we will welcome you there. We have our VIPs arriving at 10 a.m. so you have enough time to just arrive, have your welcome drink, browse with our sponsors. They have a nice little display there, and yeah, listen to the music till we start. For the general admission tickets, you can come in from 10:30 a.m. We will start the workshop at 11 a.m. Before we go into the massage techniques, Belinda Love, our relationship coach, will have a chat with you guys about communication and the connection within a relationship. And then we go into the massage techniques in sequence. After that, we will have our raffle where you can win prizes over $3,700. So our VIPs already have a ticket in, get a raffle ticket with their purchase of the ticket. And for everyone else, or if you want to purchase more raffle tickets, you can do it on the day. At the end of the workshop, we will announce the winners from the raffle, and then we will wrap up around 1 p.m. You don't need to bring anything. We have everything there. You have little nibbles in your hamper bag. So if you think you might get hungry, have a bigger meal beforehand, or you can go for lunch after in the Western area too. Further drinks can be purchased at the bar. We do have our videographer and photographer roaming through the room. If you would like to get a picture with your loved one, just grab the photographer and ask them, and they're more than happy to capture a beautiful moment. For the workshop, I would like you to wear comfortable clothing. For the ladies, if you have long hair, maybe just make sure that you have a ponytail or have the hair up, because we are massaging the shoulders and it's just more comfortable if they're not in the way for your partner. It makes it easier to learn the massage techniques. I will show some of the massage techniques on your forearm, so it would be great if the forearm is accessible. If you do have something long sleeve, I just ask you pull it up. Otherwise, a short t-shirt will be great. If you do want to wear high heels, you can. I prefer to massage in flats because we will be moving around a little bit. So I just want you to be comfortable. So whatever you are comfortable in, feel free to wear. For our COVID protocol, when you arrive, I just please ask you to check in with the QR code and wear a face mask till you are seated. Once we start the workshop, you can take the face mask off because you will be just staying on your spot. If you do go to the bathroom or get another drink, I ask you to wear your face mask again. If there are still any questions left for tomorrow, please do email me. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. And if you do know someone who would enjoy tomorrow's event, please share it because there are still tickets available. For now, I'm so looking forward to meeting you tomorrow in person, and have a great Valentine's couples massage workshop. See you tomorrow.